Hey, if you're thinking about starting a t-shirt business, how easy would it be? I mean, literally, how easy would it be?
You okay?
Most people, yes, I'm all right, thank you. I mean, most people get into ways of getting all this equipment and racking their brains up with the nonsense that they don't need in order to start a t-shirt business. Let me tell you how easy this is. I think this is the most profitable thing that you can really ever get into. First thing you got to do, you got to make yourself into a business. So you got to legitimize what you're doing. So you create a name. You can easily call LegalZoom and start yourself a business. Incorporate yourself, LLC yourself. Now, as you see, I have a brand on right now. It's called GFIE, God First and Everything. This is my brand that I've started. This is what I'm trying to tell you. It's too easy to do this thing. So you incorporate yourself, LLC yourself, so you don't ever have anything come back. Now, the next thing you want to do, you want to brand yourself, so you create your label, your logo, whatever you want to do, you create it. All right, it's created. Now, because you LLC'd yourself, you have a business license. You have a business ID, which is going to entitle you to wholesale distributors. So you can go to wholesale distributors, give them your license, and they'll give you the wholesale price for different stuff. So, which makes it easy. So you can get t-shirts, polos, hats. You can get anything that you can put your logo on in order to sell. It's that easy. So now you're already in the profit base because you already legitimized yourself. You now go to the city and get yourself a vending license in order to vend at different places wherever you are. Once you have these certain licenses, now you can go and promote yourself. You can have this printed on wholesale items, your logo or whatever you're selling onto these items, and then you can go out. But here's the other thing. You have so many events being promoted. Why not promote the events also? Why not print on the events? Now, you can go to this site called fmexpressions.com. I'm going to say it again, fmexpressions.com. And at fmexpressions.com, you can send them your art. You can send them your art if you want to get it pasted. Now, you go buy yourself a printer, a press, a heat press, and then you can press and heat press all your art on whatever you want to press it on. So you can make your design however you want to do it. If you want to get an embroidery machine, you can do the same thing with your hats. But I wouldn't do that. I would outsource it, meaning I would have somebody else do it and just send it back nice. That way you ain't got to worry about it. My thing is expedite. So if you bought this shirt for $10 and you can sell it for $30, you paid your print, you bought your print you bought them in a bundle match. Let's say you got 100 for 50 cents. You spent $50 on 100 of these, so you spent 50 cents a print. So you got the print for 50 cents, you bought the shirt for $10. You buy a heat press. You heat it up on yourself, you design it yourself, and then you can sell this for $30. You just made a nice little profit is what I'm saying. So just think about getting into the t-shirt design, or you can do your own logo, your own brand, whatever you want to do. But you have the capabilities of doing it. I mean, anybody can do this. And this is a profit business for whatever. It's all about how you promote it. It's all about how you promote whatever event is going on. So if you want to promote an event, you promote the event. Let's say this was for cancer. You can get cancer shirts. Make cancer shirts for that cancer event. So there's a whole lot of things that you can do with this. But what I want to do is give you your command of your own life, so you can be in charge of your own life, control your own destiny. If you ever need to hustle, it's an easy way to hustle. You can hustle this all the time. Make money, make dough, make what you need out of life, control your own destiny. And there's a whole bunch of things you could do. But this is Sherod. I just want to give you a little tip that I know and that I use in my life. I'll be giving you some more. All right, peace out.